from an App Store perspective, having that sort of rating is doing a lot of the leveraging for you. If you're an app-only business, then hurrah, your app's your brand, and away you go. But irrespective, it's an important asset that you've got and that you've worked hard to achieve, hopefully. So the focus on that specifically is about protecting that asset by practicing, as I've mentioned, great reviews management, right? Because things change and you've got to change too. But if we want to be leveraging that to help overall brand reputation, which is part of what this talk is about, of course, what that gives you for every star, for every user review, that's a pool of kind of reference points, right? And it depends what type of brand or app you're running, but at the base level, you can promote the positive reviews, right? They are public, they are about you and your products and services, so use them. Kind of put them in your marketing literature, put them on your website, put them kind of anywhere where you're kind of promoting what you do. User generated content is hot, right? That is, it's hot. It's not that hot. It's been around for a while now, but it's really important to show that authentic voice of the user, of the human, not the corporate voice of the creator. So obviously, again, this gives you a whole pool of kind of user generated content to kind of dig into. Collaborate with influencers, I guess, if indeed if you're a fashion app, something that kind of lends itself to that, then get in touch, and have these promotions happening organically, shall we say, kind of elsewhere on social channels, etc. And yeah, I guess the final point is like customer stories. Like we tell customer stories when we've told them on this webinar. We tell them every week at AppFollow. It really, really helps to humanize your brand, to show that you're listening, that you care, and it helps, of course, foster that really important sense of community around your app as well, which is kind of crucial.
I think you're absolutely right. It was like the 2 customer stories you guys shared; those were like the exclamation point on what we did. Do you have anything you want to add on that one, Robi?
Yeah, I think that the common path that people take when they think about how do we evangelize this great rating or review is, let's put it in our materials, let's put it in our ads, which is cool. You have an ad that says, hey, we're a 4.5-star app. But a more sophisticated set of advertising and targeting capabilities that people have is you can look through your positive reviews, you can look through your positive feedback, and you can find themes that people attract to, right? So again, let's bring it back to Starbucks and think about, there's the busy mom who's like, I need to get my drinks on my way to this next thing I have to do, and I don't want to have to stop, go in, and order. Well, you solve a problem for that person. It's a really meaningful problem. That's a segment of customers. Your ads can say, not just I'm a 4.5-star app, but here are 18 reviews about how I save people time and you get their drink faster. Meanwhile, there's another segment of customers who go to Starbucks because it's consistent. Over and over and over again, it's the same thing. And you can get rewarded and get the drink that you love, right? That's a different segment of valuable activities around the app that you can advertise to, again, a set of personas. And we have lots of targeting capabilities through platforms like Google and Facebook that will allow you to actually take those messages from customers and deliver them right into the hands of the right prospective customers who say, man, that clicks for me. That's a problem I have. And so we like to see people really get sophisticated around the problems they're solving for customers and then marketing against it.